सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 205, verse 213. ईक्षणादिप्रवेशान्ताम् सृष्टिरीशेन कल्पिता जाग्रदादिविमोक्षान्तः संसारो जीवकल्पितः. Vidyaranya has entered the topic of Jiva Ishvara Aikyam or Asipada Vichara, having separately, distinctly talked about Tvampada and Tatpada, Jiva Tattvam and Ishvara Tattvam. Now Vidyaranya has to complete that Mahavakya by saying that Ishvara and Jiva, in their original nature, they are one and the same. That Aikya Jnanam alone is called Moksha. That Aikya Jnanam, Aham na Jivaha, Aham Brahma eva iti Jnanam. This knowledge alone is called liberation, which liberates you from this Sharira Bhavana. For that, Vidyaranya has to establish that Ishvara's job in this creation and Jiva's job in the creation. We are thinking Ishvara alone is the cause of this universe. Everyone consider Ishvara is the cause, Srishtikarta of this entire universe. It is our convention. It is our opinion. But Shastra says, Ishvara alone is not the cause for this creation. Ishvara is having 50% role. You, the Jiva, also has got 50% role. Jiva also has got role in the formation of this creation. This creation or cosmos to come into existence, we the Jivas are also playing the role. But we do not know that until we come to Shastra. We do not know until we come to Shastra. We are also responsible. Really speaking, Ishvara is an employee. Ishvara is an employee, employed by me, the Jiva. This is the fact. I am giving salary to Jiva, Ishvara. I, the Jiva, I am making Ishvara to work under me. See, ulta. Whole thing is reversed here. Just as you ask a contractor, building contractor, the contractor of the building, you ask him to construct a building, the design. So he builds that house. Having built that house, he gives the chavi to you. Then you use that building. That house, you use it. When he is building, Ishvara is like a builder. Ishvara is like a builder, building lokas Panchabhutas he creates. Just as the builder constructs the house, Ishvara is like a builder, create Panchabhutas and 14 lokas. Having created 14 lokas and 5 Panchabhutas, this just as the owner of the house gives money to the builder to construct the house. Freely he cannot construct. You have to pay lakhs and lakhs of rupees to him. With that he constructs the building. Similarly, you the jiva gives your punya papa currency to Ishvara. You the jiva gives punya papa currency to that Ishvara builder. With that punya papa currency, jiva, Ishvara decide your building, what type of body, what type of loka you require. If the jiva is having total punya, that jiva gives punya to Ishvara, then Bhagavan has to create swarga for that jiva, exalted jiva. For that jiva, Bhagavan has to create what? Swarga. Why? Because of total punya. Then Bhagavan has to create naraka also because some jivas give total papa currency to Bhagavan. Black money, Swiss bank. Black money they give to builder Ishvara. Then Bhagavan has to create what loka? Naraka. So Naraka, Bhagavan has to create not according to his whims and fancies, but the decision can be taken by Bhagavan to create Naraka. The order is given through Papa currency. Oh, this is full Papa. Now I have to create Naraka. Now we are not in either Swarga or Naraka. Now what is our lot? We the human beings have given Punya Papa currency to Ishvara. Therefore Bhagavan has created Bhuloka. Punyena Punyam Lokaha. Papena Adho Lokaha Naraka Lokaha Ubhabhyam Manushya Lokaha. We have come with mixed currency. We have given that money. That's why Mahata Punya Panyena Kriteyam Kayanau Swaya Param Dukhodhadher Gamtum Yavanna Bhidyate. This body boat you bought by Mahata Punya Panyena, by giving the Punya currency and little Papa also currency, and you asked Bhagavan to give a tenant. Your tenant, body is a tenement. Body is a tenement. Constructed by whom? By Bhagavan. Based on what? Your Punya Papa. Having created that body, Sthula Shariram, Sukshma Shariram, out of Panchabhutas in this Manushya Loka. Now we are not talking about Swarga Loka or Naraka Loka. We are talking about our lot. Punya Papa currency we have given. Bhagavan has given Manushya Loka or Bhuloka. Having created this Sukshma Shariram, Sthula Shariram, Bhagavan enters. Pravesham. Chavi Kurtar Nartham. Bhagavan enters. Anupraveshaha. What do you mean by Anupraveshaha? Anupravesha means Chidabhasa formation. Anupravesha means Chidabhasa formation or RC formation. Once the Ishvara gives that RC formation, that is called Ikshanam. Anupravesha is known as visualization. Ikshanam. Ikshanad praveshantaha. Bhagavan visualize this jivas Punya Papa. Therefore Bhagavan has to create lokas. Among those lokas for Manushya jivas, Bhagavan has to create Manushaloka. Having created them, Sthula Shariram is Jadam, Sukshma Shariram is Jadam. That Punya Papa cannot be exhausted. Therefore, Bhagavan lends that sentiency, that Sukshma Shariram, Bhagavan enters in the form of Chidabhasa, RC. Once Bhagavan enters as Chidabhasa, then that Jiva function is operational in Jagrada Avastha. Bhagavan gives 3 avasthas for this Jiva. What are those 3 avasthas? Jagradadi mokshantaha. First line, Ikshanadi praveshantaha srishtihi. Ikshanam praveshaha. First visualize and enters. Enters means not physically entering, because all-pervading Brahma Chaitanyam, Ishvara, need not enter. Enters means what? Once this gross body, subtle body, both are ready, automatically RC will be formed. Once the Sukshma Shariram is created, already existing OC reflects in that RM, subtle body. That Jiva start functioning, operational. Through what? Jagrada Avastha, Swapna Avastha. Not in Sushupti Avastha. Sushupti Avastha, no function at all. In Sushupti Avastha, there is no function. You cannot exhaust your prarabdha. Therefore, Sushupti Avastha is you are taking some rest there. In Sushupti Avastha, there is no exhaustion of Punya Papa. There is only rest, respite. No, it is called respite, temporary rest. Otherwise, you will get tired. If sleep is not there, we go crazy. We have to enter into mental hospital. Bhagavan has kept to these jivas, with sleep itself people are getting mental problems. Without sleep and very, very difficult. That's why Bhagavan, okay, let's take rest some time. Then you can activate your mind and all. Therefore, Jagrada Avastha onwards up to moksha's jiva's job. He has to exhaust his karma. Subjectivity, objectivity, all are going to come. Once in Jagrada Avastha comes, then you start your samsara. Because of Punya Papa, you are exhausting your Sukha, Dukkha. One phone call, good news. Another phone call, good, bad news, mixer. Some phone calls, bad news. Why I have to hear that news? Why? Because of exhausting your Punya Papa. Sukha Dukkha Rupena. Why you should not ask? You have already given the currency. After entering the house, why here leak is there? Why crack is there? You should not ask. House means there will be a crack, there will be a leak. Leak and crack bound to be there in the house. Why now? Because you have given money, you got this house. According to your currency, according to that only the house also comes. Similarly, here also, Jagradadi mokshantaha. Jagrat adipadat swapna. Jagrat swapne, both avasthas. Avasatha, Trayam avasatha, Aitarayopanishad. Those who are attending, remember, Trayam avasatha. Jagrat, swapna, in Sushupti there is no, avastha is there, but no function, rest time, respite time, but Jagrada Avastha, Swapna Avastha, you are exhausting your Punya Papa. Vidyaranya includes moksha also in Vyavahara. See that Vidyaranya very, very very careful in putting that moksha also in vyavahara. See here, Satya Mithya, we have to understand. Ishvara and Jiva, RC, RM of Samashti, both are Mithya. RC, RM of Vyashti also, both are Mithya. Kutastha Jiva and Ishvara, that Brahma, both are only Satyam. Satyam is one. OC is Satyam. This RC, RM, Vyashti, Samashti, Mithya, therefore their Vyavahara also must be Mithya. We never say world is projected by the mind. World is not projected by the mind. Dream is projected by the mind. World is not projected by the mind. World is created by Ishvara according to your punya papa. Therefore, until moksha, this jiva is functioning. From Jagrata Avastha to Swapna, Swapna to Jagrat, Jagrat to Swapna to sleep to Sushupti, Sushupti to Swapna to Jagrat, Jagrat to Swapna to Sushupti. They go on and on and on. Sometimes in class also, respite. Not here, in many classes. Ramayana, Bhagavata, 90% of people respites. Therefore, in Vedanta class, Jagrata Avasthayam eva, you can do sadhana, you can get jnanam. You cannot do sadhana in Swapna Avastha. You cannot do sadhana, spiritual sadhanas in Sushupti Avastha. Moksha comes where? In Huchi Avastha. Only in Jagrata Avastha. In Huchi Avastha you listen Mahavakya. 3 avasthas given by Bhagavan. In Huchi Avastha you receive Atma Jnanam through Mahavakya. Only Jagrata Avastha. So in Jagrata Avastha only you do Shravanam. In Jagrata Avastha only you do all Japa Tapa Sadhanas. In Jagrata Avastha only you do Mananam. In Jagrata Avastha only you do Nididhyasanam. In Jagrata Avastha only you get Vritti Jnanam, Akhandakara Vritti Jnanam in Jagrata Avastha. Since you get Jnanam in Jagrata Avastha only, since Jagrata Avastha is Vyavaharikam, in Jagrata Avasthayam that Vritti Jnanam is also Vyavaharikam. That Vritti Jnanam, Akhandakara Vritti Jnanam, Aham Brahmasmi Jnanam is also Vyavaharikam. Aham Brahmasmi Jnanam is moksha. That means moksha happens in Vyavaharikam or Paramarthikam? Vyavaharikam. That's why I am just bringing you to that point. So Jagrata Avastha is also Mithya, Vyavaharikam. Even moksha is also a mithya. Moksha happening in Vyavaharikam. Whole Vyavaharikam is Satyam or Mithya from the standpoint of Paramarthikam Brahma. Mithya. From the standpoint of Brahman in Paramarthikam Brahma, there is no bandha, there is no moksha. Therefore, moksha never happens in Paramarthika Avastha. In Paramarthika Sthiti, is there bandha? Therefore, there is no moksha. In Paramarthika Sthiti, Brahmi Sthiti, is there bandha? No bandha. Therefore, there is no moksha. Bandha is in which sthiti? Vyavaharika. Vyavaharika Satyam. That is bandha. So, moksha also must come in Vyavaharika or Paramarthika. Where there is bandha, in Huchi Satta, is it in Vyavaharika Satta or Paramarthika Satta? Bandha is in Vyavaharika Satta. व्यावहारिके एव बन्धः अस्ति तस्मात् मोक्षः अपि व्यावहारिके एव. Since bandha, vyavaharika shariram, RC, RM, shariram, jiva shariram, stula shariram, sukshma shariram, satyam or mithya? Mithya. RC is mithya, RM is mithya. Since both are mithya, bandha must be mithya. Since bandha is mithya, moksha must be mithya. Then what is satyam? Everything is mithya, Swamini. In Vyavahara, everything is mithya. In Vyavahara, everything is mithya. What is Satyam? Satyam is only from Paramarthika Drishti. Osi alone is Satyam. So, Jagradadi Vimokshantaha Samsaraha. Samsara, moksha is also included in samsara. Samsara means vyavaharikam. Samsara is where vyavaharikam. Moksha is also in vyavaharikam. Therefore, moksha included in where? Naturally, samsara only. Therefore, I want to get moksha is also a samsara. I want to get moksha is also a samsara. I got moksha is also a samsara. Then what is moksha? I need not get moksha. I am ever muktaha paramarthika satyam. That's why mokshantaha. Jagradadi mokshantaha samsaraha jiva kalpitaha. I want moksha, I want to get liberation. Swamini, unga class ku vanda kandipa moksha undudu unna. Moksha varadappa. You recognize you are ever muktaha. No guru can give moksha. Why? You are already muktaha. You are liberated. Which guru can give? However much great guru. Even Brahmaji cannot give moksha. You are already muktaha. Why Bhagavan has to give mukti? What I am already, am I going to seek that moksha from Bhagavan? Even Bhagavan cannot give. Whatever Bhagavan gives, it will go. This is the wonder of Vedanta. What? Moksha need not be given. Point number 1. Moksha cannot be given. Moksha need not be attained. Moksha is not an event. Really speaking, there is no moksha at all. Who will come to the next class? Every one of you will come, I know that. In spite of cricket matches, semi-finals going on, you have come today. Class means you to recognize you are muktaha. I want to get moksha is also included in samsara. See, Vidyaranya includes that. Why? I need not get moksha that it is already my swarupam. I am ever muktaha. I was free. I am free. I ever will be free. When I say I was free, I am free, I ever will be free means who is this I? Lakshyartha I or Vachyartha I? Lakshyartha I. Lakshyartha I la RM, RC are there? No. Only OC. Am I RC or RM or OC? OC. Why am I am not RM and RC? They are mithya. They are not there really. They are anrutam. They are only vyavaharika satyam. Therefore, Ishvara's entry is nothing but giving chidabhasa to you to recognize that you are OC. Bhagavan has given chidabhasa for you for what? Aham, aham, aham. The whole Upanadesha Saram today we are seeing. That's why I have taken that for chanting. Whole Upadesha Sara Acharya puts in few slokas here. 2-3 slokas. Except only one shloka sufficient. So samsara, this samsara is, I have punyam, I have papam, I want to come out of punya papa, I want to get moksha. If I am liberated in this janma, I will not have next janma. All this is called samsara. This is kalpitam. This is superimposed by you. This is your subjectivity. This is wrong kalpana. I am neither punyavan nor papavan. I have no, really speaking, I need not get moksha. I am ever muktaha. The Ishvara is also having RC. Ishvara also having RM. Then Ishvara also must get moksha. Question must come. Ishvara, samashti level, Ishvara is having RM and RC are not having. OC is there. அப்போ ஈஸ்வராக்கு பந்தம் மோக்ஷா தேவையில்லையா? ஈஸ்வரா இஸ் ஃப்ரீ ஃப்ரம் புண்ணிய பாப பந்த மோக்ஷா. Therefore Ishvara need not work for moksha, but Jiva has to work for moksha, having worked and recognize I need not work. Just like that kantha chami karanyaya, that minor chain what he is wearing just has gone backside. He thought, I have lost my chain. Then running there where he went to the function hall and he asked, I lost my chain. After running and he is palpitation, என்னோட chain and கேட்டுட்டே இருக்கான். Then one person saw that your chain is on your neck. It is there. It is here? Oh, unnecessarily I have running here. I have come all the way unnecessarily. That person says, unnecessarily you are not running. Necessarily only you have run. To recognize running is unnecessary. So, to recognize that running is not required, you have to run. To know that you are ever muktaha, you need not get moksha. Therefore, you have to come to class. You have to study. Here the next shloka. 2:14. Therefore, what is satyam, you have to focus. This much Shastra telling also bhaga, tyaga. Huchi bhaga tyagam, RC bhaga, RM bhaga, do tyagam mentally, intellectually. OC bhaga only I am telling, not from body standpoint or mind standpoint you are muktaha. You are never muktaha from body mind standpoint. Body mind standpoint is mithya. Body is mithya, mind is mithya, it is vyavaharika satyam. Therefore, you always don't give any coloration. That is called vipralambha. That is a dosha. However much Guru talks, அவங்களுக்கு என்ன பூர்வ ஜென்ம புண்ணியம், நமக்கு இப்படிலாம் பேசிகிட்டே இருப்பான் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். திஸ் இஸ் கால்ட் கலரேஷன், விப்ரலம்ப தோஷா. த டீச்சர் டு த கோர் talking about bhagatyaga lakshana, and we never focus on that bhagam which we have to do tyaga. Without focusing on that bhaga, we have to do tyaga. We say what? Pavam, Guru ku enna theriyum, ipadella pesuvom. Pity on Guru. Teacher is pity of the student. What to do? This is going on and on. That is why many listeners, those who are doing Shravanam, they never try to claim, I am Brahman. Why? Because of coloration. Vipralambha dosha it is. Because of vasanas. I have lot of punya papa karmas. I am doing so many mistakes also now also. How am I going to get? I am having kama, krodha, lobha, mada, matsarya and all. How am I going to get moksha? This person consider. Shastra says that is vyavaharikam. It cannot touch you. come out of that. Why this feeling? Because I identify with mithya sariram, mithya manas. That identification is the problem. It is called coloration. It takes janma, class by class, how much we talk. Nanna puriyaradu Swamini, nanna puriyardanu chonnuvane thavare. Definitely I will get moksha. I need not get moksham. Now I have understood I am mukta ani solra varakku nee mukti innu postpone da irukken ardham. Sari, I go crazy sometimes if this topic comes. Next shloka. Advitiyam brahma tattvam asangam tanna janate jiveshayor mayikayoh vrthaiva kalaham yayuh. Some corrections in the second line. Jiva ishayoh. Upon ya, there must be a horn on the top. Jiveshayoh. Maika yoho. Vrtha. And tha also two horns you have to put. Vrthaiva. Vrtha eva vrthaiva. Upon that vru, there must be a repham. One small curve you have to give. Jiveshayor maikayor vrdhaiva. So, these are the corrections in this shloka. Now, very important portion. Why people are not able to understand they are OC, that is Shuddha Chaitanyam, Paramarthika Satyam. In spite of this body-mind complex interaction is going on. That is Vyavaharika Satyam Mithya. One bhaga, RC bhaga, RM bhaga is Mithya. Anrutam. That is Nama Rupa. OC bhaga is Nama Rahitam. It is Satyam. That bhaga only you have to focus. But unfortunately, the people always focus on Nama Rupa. They hooked to Nama Rupa. They do not know the value of this Nama Rupa Rahita OC. They do not know the value. Just like gold and ornaments. Chain, bangle, ring, they are all golden chain, golden bangle, golden ring. Nama is different, Rupa is different, their function is different. Nama, Rupa, Kriya. There is a Bheda. Bangle is not chain, chain is not ring, ring is not bangle, ring is not chain. Their function is also different. Chain you put on your neck and earrings you put, bangles you put to your hand and earrings you put to your ears, nose stud you put to your nose. Their function is also different. Nama is different, Rupa is different, Kriya is different. They are all not real. What is real? The vastu behind is gold. Gold is Satyam. Chain, gold also, same severin, value is same. Bangle irukra gold value also same. Severin, bangle gold lo severin vandu 200 rupees, 100 rupees, appadiyada theda irukuma, difference irukuma. Bangle irukra gold ore value, severin value is same. Correct? Ring, gold value also same. Chain la irukra gold value also same. Since it is a ring, therefore value is less than gold. The gold value is same, even though Nama, Rupa, Kriya are changing. The value of the gold is same. Vastu is same. जीव ईशयोर्वेषधिभिधा स्वस्वभावतो वस्तु केवलम् वेषहानता स्वात्मदर्शनम् ईशदर्शनम् स्वात्मरूपतः. So Ishvara Nama Rupa, Ishvara's function, Sarvagnaha, how can I be the Ishvara? How can I be the Ishvara? He is Sarvagnaha, Sarvashaktiman. I am a Dasaha, he is a Swami. From what standpoint? From Nama Rupa, Kriya standpoint. Sarvagnaha, from Nama Rupa, Upadhi Drishtya. So, Upadhi Drishtya, 4 points you have to note. What are those 4 points? Upadhi Mithyatvam. Ishvara Upadhi is Mithya, Jiva Upadhi Mithya. There Sthula Prapancha, Sukshma Prapancha, Ishvaras. Mithya. Here also, Jiva Upadhi, Sthula Shariram, Sukshma Shariram, Mithya. That is why previous page, Shloka 212, Anandamayaha Karana Shariram, Ishvara, Vijnanamayaha, Jivaha, we said. Vidyaranya said, Shloka 212, Mayaya Kalpitau, what? Anandamayaha, Vijnanamayaha, Ishvara Jivakau. Mayaya Kalpitau. Therefore, these two are names Upadhi Mithyatvam. Ishvara side also Upadhi Mithya, Jiva side also Upadhi Mithya. Number 2, Upadhi Bheda is also Mithya. Since Upadhi is Mithya, bodies are Mithya, Ishvara Shariram is Mithya, Jiva Shariram is Mithya. Mithya Sharira Bheda can be Satyam. Mithya Bheda. Sharirams are Mithya, their Bheda, difference, Satyamahuma. Once bodies are Mithya, their difference also must be Mithya. So, Upadhi Bheda also Mithya. Second point. Upadhi Mithyatvam, number 1. Upadhi Madhye, Ishvara Jiva Upadhi Madhye Bhedaha api Mithya. That means Ishvara Swamitvam, Jivasya Dasatvam, both are Mithya, unreal. Then third point is that Pratibimba Chaitanyam in Ishvara is also Mithya. Pratibimba Chaitanya, Ishvara, that which is formed in Samashti is also Mithya. Pratibimba Mithyatvam. So, the Pratibimba mirror and your reflected face. Your reflected face is real? No. Similarly, the reflected consciousness in Ishvara and Jiva, since their Upadhi is Mithya, their Bheda is Mithya, the reflection formed in the Jiva Upadhi and Ishvara Upadhi also Mithya. Just as your reflected face. Clear? Now, Pratibimba Bheda also, Ishvara is what? Maya Pratibimbita Chaitanyam. Jiva Avidya Pratibimbita Chaitanyam. These Pratibimba Chaitanyams both are Mithya. Sarvagnatvam is because of Upadhi. Alpatgnatvam also because of Upadhi. Therefore, these properties between Ishvara and Jiva also Mithya. Clear? What about Punya Papa? Pratibimba Bheda also Mithya. Therefore, Punya Papa also Mithya. Therefore, Bandha Mithya. Once Bandha is unreal, where is the question of moksha? This is called World Cup. Semi-finals today. Okay. Purinja Puriyatam. Puriyatna avada. Okay. Look into the shloka. Advitiyam Brahma Tattvam. Brahman is secondless. OC is secondless. Advitiyam. Sajatiya Vijatiya Swagata Bheda Rahitaha. There is no internal difference. There is no mutual differences. Jati Bheda is not there. Swagata Bheda is not there. No Bheda is there, therefore Advitiyam. Asangam, not attached to anything, not connected to anything. Vyavaharika Paramahardhika, eppadi connect aha mudiyum. Sattha Bhedat, higher order of reality, lower order of reality, how they can? They cannot come together. Asangam. Brahma Tattvam, this Brahman, this nature of Brahman, Advitiyam Brahma Tattvam, Asangam Brahma Tattvam, Tat na janate. Janate is Bahuvachanam, Gnadhatu, janate, janite, janate, janate. People do not know. Jiva Ishayoho, Mayikayoho. Mayikayoho jiva yushayoho Brahma Tattvam. Very nice word you see. This jiva and Brahma, this kalpana is because of Maya. Mayikayoho jiva ishayoho. Upadhi, Pratibimbam, all these are Mayikam. Mayikayoho jiva ishayoho. RC RM. What is Tattvam? Bangle Tattvam is what? Chain Tattvam is what? Gold. Ring Tattvam is what? Similarly, Sthula Shariram, Sukshma Shariram, Karana Shariram. Sthula Prapancha, Sukshma Prapancha, Karana Prapancha. Correct? Mood, correct? Chainu, bangle, ring. Inge kuda mood. Tattvam is what? Here gold and Anna Chonned. What is that Tattvam there? Brahma Tattvam. What is that Brahma Tattvam? Asangam Advitiyam Brahma Tattvam na janate. People do not know that Tattvam. They are holding on to bangle chain, ring, bangle chain, ring, bangle chain, ring. Ange samatta irukku. Enna bangle chain ring la gold da Satya Swamini. Drishtantam clear. What about Brahma Vastu? Advitiyam Brahma, Asangam Brahma. That is Satyam behind Jiva and Ishvara. This Jiva Ishvara, they are Kalpitam, Vyavaharikam by Maya. They are only unreal from Paramarthika Satyam. Therefore, Jiva Ishayoho, Maikayoho, Brahma Tattvam. That is Asangam Brahma Tattvam. Advitiyam Brahma Tattvam tan na janate. Since they are not knowing this, they won't keep quiet. What they do? Kalaham yayuhu. Vridha kalaham yayuhu. Unnecessarily they fight each other. My God is great. Allah is great. Christ is great. Vishnu is great. Shiva is great. Kalaham yayuhu. What we are telling? Allah is mithya, Christ is mithya, Vishnu is mithya, Ishvara is mithya, Devi is mithya. All are only for upasana. All are only for your refinement. Not knowing, na janate. Once you do not know, what will happen? Religion area, they are fighting each other every day. And philosophy wise, these people are fighting. Prakriti is the Karanam, Jagat Karanam, atom is the Jagat Karanam, Shunyam is the Jagat Karanam, nothing is there. Ennude philosophy great, fighting. My God is great, my God is great. My God is in Vaikuntha, your God is in only Kailasa. Eppume kulura irukum. In Vaikunthala eppume pala irukum. Paichum jasti aharthan artham. Puriyadha? Once you miss the truth, errors are many. Once you miss the truth, errors are many. For example, the mathematics, one answer is the correct answer. Wrong answers, how many? So many. Right answer is one. Understand now? All religions, all gods, they are fighting errors. They are all like errors, wrong answer. Like all philosophies, systems of philosophies. That's why we don't call Advaita as a philosophy. Advaitam is the truth. It is not a philosophy. Understand? Therefore, their kalaham yayuhu. That kalaham is useful or useless? Vridha. Vridha kalaham. Unnecessary fighting, quarrel each other. Yayuhu means yadhatu. They enter into quarrel. They put a bomb on each other. And they destroy the church, they destroy the temple, they destroy the masjid. Why to destroy? Why to destroy? People are fighting. How meaningless it is now. From Vedanta standpoint, quarrel with regard to God. My God is great, my God is great. How foolish they are, now. Is it necessary to fight about Mithya God and fighting bloodshed? Fanaticism, no? You become a fanatic if you don't know the Brahma Tattvam behind Jiveshayoho. Yadhatu lit. Yayau yayatuhu yayuhu. Next shloka 215. Same like 6 runs madri nike ellame. Each shloka is 6 run. Boundary going beyond. No. Gnatva sada tattva nishthan anumodamahe vayam anushochama evanyan na bhrantair vivadamahe. We are udasinaha, we are neutral. If anybody is fighting in the name of philosophy, vadams, arguments, they are fighting. In the name of God, many people are fighting. Nama enna pandrona paathindu irupom. Match paathin madri da paathindu irupom. Udasinaha. We don't want to enter into argument with anyone. Why? Both of their arguments are wrong, useless, meaningless. And any intelligent person will go and enter into that? Never. Therefore, Vidyaranya says, I don't want to enter into that arguments because all arguments are useless. I don't want to into Vyavaharika argument. I am talking about Paramarthika Satyam. All arguments belong to Vyavaharikam. Whole Vyavaharikam is Mithya, unreal. Unreal Vyavaharikathil irukra arguments poi yaravadu unreal arguments panduvane. Ippu na argument panna enna artham? I am also becoming one with them. Therefore, I don't want to argue. Therefore, what we say, Jiva is never created, Ishvara is never created, Jivesha Sambandha is never created, Chit is never created, nothing is created. But ennada create na? Yaar sonna create ani? Creation illappa cricket paathinu nanna aanandama iranna. Some people getting palpitation. Ippove start aayirkom. Second match ku povanga paarenga eppadi irukumannu. Nijama sela perukku konja chest pain kuda varada. Amma enna unreal cricket match. My God is great, my God is great. Ellame vyavaharikal enjoy panna vendiyadana sport. யாரோ ஒருத்தன் தான் வின் பண்ண முடியும். வேர்ல்டு கப்பு எங்கே வந்தால் என்ன, நமக்கு எல்லாம் பிரம்மன் தான் இல்லையா? ஆமாம், பிரம்மனுக்கு தான் வரப்போகிறது இப்போ வேர்ல்டு கப்பு. எதுக்காக சண்டைன்னு? அதுதான் வேதாந்தின் த சேம் பர்சன். ஞாத்வா சதா, நோயிங் திஸ் ட்ரூத், we accept the wise people. Anumodamahe vayam. Whom? Tattvanishtan, those who are the knowers of this truth. Brahman, Jiva, Ishvara, both are unreal. Vyavaharikam, the OC, Brahman is Satyam. There are many wise people in this country. Always, everywhere, there are many wise people are there. Jnanis are there. We accept them. We accept them. We welcome them. Jivan Mukti Club. Not Mailapur Club. What club we are in? Jivan Mukti Club. JM Club. JM Club. Our club name is what? JM Club. What is JM means? J stands for Jivan. M stands for Mukti. JM Club. we welcome them, those Jnanis, into our club. But there are people never enter into our club. Who are they? Anushochamaha, maha kaparam, ma kaparam, visarga. Because of sandhi, visarga is dropped. Anushochamaha, we are sympathize upon those people. Anushochamaha eva. Upon whom? Anyan. Anyan means atatvagnan. Those who are not wise, those who are not having this knowledge about this reality. Anyan anushochamaha eva. Just we are pity of them. We are sympathize upon them. We don't want to argue them. Why? Bhrantaihi na vivadamahe. They are in bhranti. They are in confusion. They are in delusion. Who are all fighting, my God is great, my God is great. And looking down upon other person whom they are worshipping. My philosophy is great. Vaishnavas feel our philosophy is great. Shaivas feel Shaivism is great. Ellame or bhrantila irkana. Looking at those deluded people, we are just sympathize on them. Why? Don't you want to help them to educate? Why can't you help them? If they come only, I can help. They don't want to come. They want to shut my mouth. What to do? Therefore, I am keeping quiet. They don't allow us to talk. They don't allow us to talk. Vedanta class. Adenne. என்னமோ கேவலமா பேசுவான். அதெல்லாம் நமக்கு இல்லப்பா. நமக்கு என்ன? நமக்கு பிராந்தி தான். நல்ல பிராந்திலானே எனக்கு பிராண்டி மாதிரி இருக்கேன்னா. தட்ஸ் வை பிராண்டி பீப்புள் ஹூ ட்ரிங்க் பிராண்டி, இந்த பிராந்திக்கு கொஞ்சம் தான் டிஃபரன்ஸ். ஈவன் சேன் பிராந்தி அவர் அன்சேன் பிராண்டி, அவ்வளவுதான். என்ன காடு காடுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கான்னு இல்லையோ, அதனால சேன் பிராந்தி, அங்க அன்சேன் பிராண்டி. இதுதான் டிஃபரன்ஸ். டெல்யூஷன், கன்ஃபியூஷன், அதில் போய் நான் தலைவிடுவேனே என்ன. That's what Shastra says, naprishta kasyachit bruyat. If they are not asked, unasked person ke எப்பவுமே வாயை திறக்காதே என்ன. Don't open your mouth. Naprishta kasyachit bruyat. Nacha anyayena prichataha. If they don't ask properly, with respect, reverence, to know the truth, if they don't ask, or they want to ask you to find out, all cornering, to corner you if they ask, na anyayena va prichataha, then what wise person did? Janannapi medhavi, janannahi medhavi, janannapi medhavi. Even though medhavi, the wise person, knows, he never opens the mouth. He never opens the mouth. Why? Why to talk with that bhranti people? They are not asking with reverence, they are not coming with respect. They are thinking they are great and their philosophy is great, their God is great. Can I go and talk to them? No, I don't want. Jadavat lokamacharet. I just behave like as though I don't know anything. I behave just as though I don't know anything. இந்த கடவுளா? ஆமா சுவாமி, நான் என்னுடைய குலதெய்வம், நான் இவரை தான் கும்பிட்டு இருக்கேன். பண்ணப்பா அண்ணா, கண்டினியூ அண்ணா. I follow this system, Swamini. My families are all following. அப்படியா? ஃபாலோ, நல்லா ஃபாலோ பண்ணு என்ன சொல்லுவேன். அனுமோதாமஹே, அனுமோதாமஹே. இன்னொன்று வேர்டு என்ன சொன்னார் கீழே? We are not going to talk to them. Anumodamahe to wise people. Anushochamaha to otherwise people. Okay. So what is our club now? JM Club. Next sloka. Trunarchekadi yogantaham Ishvare bhramti mashritaham lokayatadi sankhyantam जीवे विभ्रांति माश्रिताः Now, who are those people having Bhranti? Big list. In the religion side, one group of Bhranti group. Philosophy side, another group of Bhranti. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ illiterate. Okay, religion side ಎಲ್ಲಾಮೇ illiterate Bhrantis. Philosophy side ಎಲ್ಲ literate Bhranti. Both are deluded. God-wise, they are deluded. And creation-wise, Jiva-wise, these people are all deluded. Who is Jiva? What is this creation? How this creation has come? Regarding that also, these people are confused. Both are deluded. One is illiterate, deluded person. Another one is literate, enlightened, unintelligent person. Okay. Trinarchakadi yogantaha. There are people who are worshipping the god. Trina Archaka means what? Tribal, illiterate people. They worship God with Trinam. Patram, Pushpam, Phalam, Toyam. That is why we leave to the Ishvara. We don't interfere with them. We do prayer. Ishvara alone will take care of them. Paritranaya sadhuna vinashaya cha dushkrutam dharma samsthapanarthaya. Because as a human being, we are limited. We cannot change them. Therefore, Ishvara only can change them. Ishvara only is having that power. That's why we do prayer for their sake also. Prayer that Truna Archakadi. Archana means with Trunam, they do Archana. All tribal people, you go and see whom they worship. They worship stone, they worship tree, they worship everything. Ella worship Pandatum. Trinarchakad. Yogantaha, the philosophers. Yogantaha means Ishvara, they worship into the high pedestal. The refined way of worshipping God. In meditation, they sit in meditation and they visualize God inside. And they see God. Daiva darshanam sakshatkarma. எப்படின்னா 4 கையால வந்தார் சுவாமினி. அப்படியே அதே கண்ணு அதே ட்ரெஸ் அப்படியே வந்து நிக்கிறாரு என்ன முன்னாடி. யாரு? வந்து நிக்கிறாரு. But we don't say it is wrong that Tyagaraja got Rama darshanam, Mirabai has got Krishna darshanam. We don't say it is myth. We don't say it is not there. We accept it. But it is nothing to do with Paramarthika Satyam Brahma. You have got a vision of Saguna Ishvara. Saguna Ishvara is Vyavaharikam or Paramarthikam? Vyavaharikam. That is why Ayaram Gayaram. One Varuvar, Kadambiduvar. Eppo Varuvar. Eppo Varuvaro. Apro Kalambitar. Poitar. Number God always. He cannot move. He cannot move. இப்படிப்பட்ட காடு வேணுமா? வந்து போற காடு வேணுமா? என்ன பைத்தியம். எப்போ ஆல்வேஸ் அவைலபிள் காட் can't you own up? பாவம். அர்ச்சகாதி யோகாந்தாக மெடிடேஷன்ல உட்கார்ந்து I got God darshanam, Ishvara darshanam. That consciousness, I have seen the consciousness கூட அது வேற சமாதியில் எல்லாம் உட்கார்ந்து எதுக்கு மூடணும்? பிரம்மன் நான் யாருமே மெடிடேஷன் பண்ணணுமோ தெரியல. சுவாமி நீ எத்தனை மணிக்கு நீங்கள் மெடிடேஷன் பண்ணுவேன்? They ask Guru also, what time you do puja, archana and all, what time you do meditation? I don't want to disturb you. Very nice for their respect. But what I feel, once you know you are Brahman, that is why sannyasi never have any puja, never have any archana, no need of dhyanam, even no need of nididhyasanam. Understand? For students' sake, I have to say 5:30 I do meditation. 8 o'clock I do elaborate puja. சொல்லிதான் ஆகணும். இதெல்லாம் வெளியில சொல்லாதுங்கோ. இதெல்லாம் சீக்ரெட், நமக்குள்ளதான் சீக்ரெட். You tell me now. You yourself tell me. Atma puja. All the time, aham brahmasmi, aham brahmasmi. Ishvara is vyavaharikam, punya papa is vyavaharikam, jiva bhakta is vyavaharikam. Everything is vyavahar because you have given reality. That is your problem. What can I do? You have given reality to them. Come on, continue your puja. If you look at me also something puja I doing, okay, I am also doing for your sake. I also do some prayer for your sake. Very, very tough, not so easy to own up. Writing notes, listening CD, recording is simple. But claiming Aham Brahman, not so easy. Okay. Therefore, Lokayatadi Sankyantaha, Charvakas onwards, Nyaya, Vaiseshika, Purvamimamsa, and this Sankhya, Yoga, Nyaya, Vaiseshika, Charvaka, Jaina, Bauddha, everyone, all are in delusion. These people are also deluded, those people are also deluded. Everybody is deluded, you are also only intelligent, you think like that. Yes, I am only intelligent. I need not be afraid of the entire universe. Stand and talk, I am not afraid of. This is the fact. Mathematics teacher knows what is the right answer. 50 students did the wrong answer and the teacher, minority. Can she become wrong? Tell me. 40-50 children did a wrong. The answer they got. Can she be in minority, therefore she is wrong? Are you dare to say she is wrong? No. They are in majority, therefore they are right. No. Like that only. Understand? Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.